Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 6 from 8.3. Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amounts he would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is compounded annually, compounded half yearly. First case it is compounded annually and second case it is compounded half yearly. So the same value, principal is 80,000, rate percent is 10% and time 1.5 years. Now you have to find for the first question compounded annually. So what is given here? Principal rupees 80,000, rate percent 10%, time 1.5 year, and you have to mention it compounded annually. Now you know that it is a fractional year, so we will use that part for the fractional part. Fractional year amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n, and as because of that fractional part use this 1 plus fraction, this here it is half, so half into rate by 100. Now put the value for principal and rate. Amount is equal to principal is 80,000, rate 1 plus rate percentage is 10%, so 10 by 100 whole to the power n 1 year, so 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2, that fractional part, into rate percent is 10 by 100. Now you can cancel 2 and 10, it is 5. You can cancel this also to make it a small one, and 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 20 is 100. Amount is equal to 80,000 into 10 plus 1, here it is 1 by 10 into 20 plus 1 by 20. So the amount is 80,000 into 11 by 10 into 21 by 20. If you want to cancel, you can cancel this 0 0 0 0 to 400. Now multiply this. Amount is equal to 400 into 11 into 21, 2 3 1. Now multiply this by 400. Amount is equal to rupees. Multiply this by 4 and 2 zeros you will give here. 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 1 carry, 4 2 is 8, 9. So 92,400 is the amount for the first case when compounded annually. Now for the second case, now for the second part compounded half yearly. So time is 1.5 years as it is given here in the question, time 1.5 year. That means if you make it improper fraction 3 by 2 years and mention that it is half yearly compounded. Amount and principal and rate percent, principal 80,000, rate percent 10%. So same we have to give now compound interest amount for the half yearly compounded half yearly. You know that it is the formula is principal into 1 plus r by 200 whole to the power 2n. Now amount is equal to principal means 80,000 into 1 plus r by 100, r means 10 by 200 whole to the power 2 into 3 by 2. Amount is equal to 80,000 20 plus 1 by 20, and you can see that 2 and 2 can be cancelled and it is 3. Now amount 80,000 into 21 into 21 into 21 because it is 3 times, and 20 also 3 times You can cancel 3 zeros by these 3 zeros. Now cancel these 240, 220, 210. Now the amount is equal to 10 into 21 into 21 into 21. It will be multiply afterwards 21 into 21 into 21. The whole result, if you multiply, you can see that rupees 92,610. Now you can see that you have to find the difference in amounts. Find the difference in amounts. Here the amount is 92,610 and previous case it was 92,400. So you have to find both the amount and at the same time you have to find the difference also. Therefore the difference of the two amounts, difference between the amounts, now the difference between the amounts 92,610 minus 92,400, you can get 210. So I hope the concept of this sum is very clear to you. Now do the next sum. Now question number 7. Maria invested rupees 8,000 at an interest rate of 5% per annum compounded annually. Find the amount credited against her name at the end of second year. Question number 2. The interest for the third year. So interest credited for the second year, that means time is second year, and see principal is here 8,000, rate 5%, compounded annually, time 2 years. So put the value, put the formula for compounded annually. P amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power again. Amount here 8,000, 1 plus rate percent 5 by 100 whole to the power n 2 because it is 2 years. So 8,000 into 20, 520 is 100. Now 20 plus 1 by 20 whole to the power 2, 8,000 into 21 into 21 by 20 into 20. So amount is equal to, cancel this and you will get 240s are 220s are. Now 20 into 21 into 21, 441 rupees. Amount is equal to rupees 0 2 2 8 8 8,820 for the amount credited against her name at the end of second year. So this is the first part's answer. Now come to the second part. Now for the second part, question is the interest for the third year. That means after second year, the amount, you know that in compound interest the amount we use as a principal for the third year. So principal for the third year is rupees 8,820. Time for the third year, that means only 1 year, and rate percent is same. So if I find the, you have to find the interest only. So you can find it by simple interest also. SI is equal to P into R into T. Only for this amount you have to find the interest. So you can find it by simple interest also. By 100. So 8,820 into 5 into 1 by 100. 5 2s are 2, 4, 4, 1. So the interest for the third year only will be 4, 4, 1. So SI, you can write the answer in this way. Therefore, interest for the third year is equal to rupees 4, 4 1. Understood? Practice this. I hope you will, if you practice it, it will be very easy for you. Thank you, students.